So in this IBC 4 bedroom tutorial present. So what we do here is that we created gates, a standard gate for that matter. So now in this tutorial, fence, in this particular one, we are going for complete gate creation. So just click finish. So say save to your project. So now what we do is that we align this. Let the surface be aligned. Good. So but before then, we want to do the ironmongery for, I'm going to call it now, just say irons. Now for the top it's going to be iron. So let's go on and do the next one. So I'm going to say, now we can use any of this. We still went the same family because I still am fencing activities. So what I'm going to say is this. I will say attrition. So what we create is copy this. Just copy. You don't need any other. So when you do copy, just extrude. Then you delete this. So this one will give you the formula you are going to use. So I'm going to say like this from here to this space. So just the construction aspect. So you look at the center part of this and you drag it up. So from here now you drag this one and you drag this. So understand? Done, but not finished. So what you do is that this is going to be, you just say offset. So offset this one with copy and this with copy. So I think that's okay. So you trim this. So I think that will be okay like that. So remove this one. So the next thing you do is that you offset again like this. So you say okay. Then you bring this into consideration. Alright, I think you're done with that. So offset this. So what you do next is to copy this. So from here, copy 300. The next you copy 300 as well. So from there, you start doing the needful. So you get to the last part. I think we're done with that. So I have this in place. So what you just need now is to break this up. Complete. Break them, and break. So now you start to trim. So you trim everything in a complete volume. The same thing here as well. There you go. So it's not over. Just copy this in your mirror. Fine. So as you do that, the next thing you do is to start closing up this. So if you have that, just copy from one point to the other. It's faster than you just start doing everything. But this say they maintain the same. So we're done with that. So just click finish. So you have issue, continue. So just close this. Draw this down. Press escape. Draw this. So you trim this. Click finish. So you get it done now. So you come here and say edit. Edit now, you saw the million. That's the Chrome, right? So you click finish. It's not over yet. Now you go to 3D and see what we've done. So you have to reduce the, yes, here you reduce it. So you drag to extended aspects, like here. Just have to stay in the middle. Okay, so you can go back and see what you created. It is not over yet. So you have this one now. What we just need to do is to go to start elevation and say edit. So adjust, let them come in between. So you click finish. So now we copy this one plus one. So edit, it's a simple editing. Click. Then what will you do? So you draw this one across. Understand? So that's the bit of part of the construction case. You draw that across. So with that now you can click finish. So you have one really, you hold them together. So you come here and I'm going to put it in between. So all you just need to do now is that you bring them to the surface of it, but this one is going to be a little bit reduced. So copy it here, this joint is there, and you put it on the surface. So go back here, and that is it. And I have the 2 layers. So click here and say copy again, and I'll push it up. I'll push this one back. So we're done. So what you just need now, copy this one. Understand? So now, before you go, let me quickly do one thing again. You can do something funny with this one. Just connect one of this. So you just say copy, rotate this. So you get rotate it to something like this. So with this, and with this it now. So when you have it like this, you say that this hole is somewhere. So this, see now. So that's where it goes, and you can just elongate the height a bit. So select this one now and still start pumping it from pole to pole. Copy from here to here to here to here and to here to here to here to here. So, and then the last one, put it here. So on this one now, you look for the middle ground, you adjust. So what you don't need to do is done. So now, after you are done with this one, you can check it on 3D and see the way everything looks like. So you see, so giving you a little bit of, so now your bit is what you are going to focus your attention on. So you don't need to transfer this one, you don't have any transparent bits for that matter. So you copy from here the way you begin, and you bring it here. Sorry, copy, and you press it here. Shift and drag, press escape. So shift it and drag it. So you push it up a bit. Now what we want to do here is just an adjustment. You still maintain the same thing, but adjusting them will be the main thing. So you copy here, edit. So what I'm going to here, I will just like push this one to the edge, push this one to the edge, then close it. Escape, then remove this one completely. Okay, so you do the same thing to this side direction as well. And same mirror. Okay, then remove this. Okay, it's not over. So you remove these two. this thing should be removed. So you click finish, drag this one, bring it here, then drag this one, bring it here. Okay, select this and delete it. They are not named. So what we do here is that select this one, then we say edit extrusion, copy. No, it's not over yet, so copy this one from here, put it here. Okay, so now you copy them from here. Oh, sorry, copy all this one, the line below, then you drag by pressing down arrow key, press more to get to where you want them to get to. So that's it. So you have this in place, you click finish, still maintain. So now you click this one and you drag this one as well. What you do next is to copy this. So from continue like that. Alright, so you are done with this. So what you just need next is you copy everything here, select all this. You don't need to do anything than just to copy, select it like that. Yes, you are picking what I don't want you to pick. Select like that and just say you mirror it from here. You mirror everything from here. Understand? So edit, then you delete this one that are not needed, like this one. Delete everything that are not needed from you. So in this place now you adjust and bring them down. So what I'm going to do here, I will delete all this one completely, then I draw another line on board. Now I'm going to say let's copy one of them, go on it and click. So I'm going to break this one now. So change the way you have been doing before. Trim everything. Okay, now you click finish. So what is the story? The story say there are still more things that you have not touched that you need to do. You are hidden and you have to go. So I'll break this finish now. So what I do is I'll copy this one. So I'll just say copy from here and drag it back. So select everything entirely and push it. So you still allow it to go inside a bit. Now move this one from below to the top. Understand? Push this one. Now start copying it from there. From there to here. So your gate is done, but not fully done. So what you need to do next is to mirror this one. There's a fantastic style of creating things. So you bring this one here, drag it up, drag it down, rotate again. Drag it there, push it there. So that's it. You click finish and you have a gate in place. So that's how far we go in this particular matter. So get a 3D and see what you've done. So in the next class, we will now beautify the environment, then bring cars. And so if you are not subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. God bless you.